What's the most populated country that starts with the letter R? Answer A. Russia. If someone from India is Indian, what is someone from Panama? Answer B. Panamanian. What is the term for a three-dimensional work of art that's carved or molded? Answer A. Sculpture. What do you call stored energy held by an object because of its position? Answer B. Potential energy. What do these have in common, jasmine, black, and sweet? Answer C. Types of tea. What bright orange vegetable is used in pies in the fall season? Answer A. Pumpkin.